Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Netflix sign-in problem. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to go ahead and try to do is force close your Netflix application and reopen it, and that should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, it could be because of your internet connection. So let's just get straight into it. The first you want to try to do is try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data in order to log in. Also ensure that VPN is always turned off, and try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and look for settings and go inside of your settings and go down to general, all the way down to the bottom to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and reset network settings. Once you've done that, your problem should be fixed. However, if it still isn't, then try to update your application. Simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and then search for Netflix right over here. And if there is any updates available, the blue open button is going to be blue update button. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.